to the icy tides. Someday we'll decide where we want to live out our lives. For now we're two sparks, tumbling along, keeping the heat on, even though summer's coming and gone. I would sail across the sea just to see you on the far side. When the wind is cold and angry, there will be to take me inside. We'll find ways to fill the empty, follow all the hysteria. I won't care if we suddenly find ourselves in Siberia. Siberia, sail up.